So for this week, what I'm hoping that the campers take away is an ability to appreciate how scientists actually do their work. So we do some hiking, we do some generic nature exploring, we do some fun things like canoeing, but the important part of the week to me is the scientists that we meet and getting the students to know how scientists do their work, what scientists actually look like. It's not always just people in white lab coats that are stuck here in a basement. They're going out to the field, they're doing collection, they're doing all sorts of things that are much more interesting and exciting. And this stuff is cool too, but this is what people picture whenever they think of science.
So they have the gills on their back because when they're burrowing, they're undulating their body. That way the water can rush over their gills. That way they can respire underneath the water. So if you actually look closely enough when it's not moving, on its face you can see like these two little tusks that come up. And that's how they dig. And they also have like forelegs that are specialized for digging.
I would definitely say the water quality study is probably going to be the favorite activity of campers. Actually getting hands-on in science, learning from actual scientists, going out and collecting macroinvertebrates in two different environments, a stream and a lake. It's definitely one of the coolest activities that we do here, and even being able to collect samples of those organisms and get a nice close-up look at them and compare them to the two different streams. I know I enjoyed that a lot myself, so I'm sure the campers did too.
Just like that. All right, good. Now flip back down on. All good.
Baby burrowing mayfly.
Burrowing mayfly?
Yeah.
That's cute. We love Science U!